Soapy kitchen, culinary kitchen. I'm not sure what this one is because we are making ethanol with our water distiller. Now, for those of you who have your own water distillers and your company sent you instructions on how to do this, you can do that. The Mega Home does come with instructions, and just contact them if you have any questions. There are quite a few tutorials on YouTube that show how to do this. So we're going to do ours for the very first time and see how it goes. Okay, so we've got 2 gallons that we're going to be doing. The first gallon was made with regular wine yeast. The second with triple acting spirit yeast. So we'll see what kind of yield we get and what the alcohol content of them are. I'm not hopeful we'll be able to get up to 70%, but we should be able to make a fairly good hand cleaner. Maybe we'll add some miso water to that just to make it a stronger cleaner with the vodka made from the sugar shine. So let me show you how the sugar shine looks now. Put it right here. This is the sugar shine, and as you can see, there's the cream of tartar and stuff that's a byproduct called must, I believe. And on the top, those are our raisins, and this one was made with regular wine yeast. So I'm going to filter off the raisins and pour it into my distiller. Okay. So the raisins can be used for ice cream, or you can toss them out. It's completely up to you. Okay, so we're going to use that in a bath bomb concoction, and these will probably go into a sugar solution since they're a fermented product, and save them for raisins, or for like a rum raisin topping. You can cook the alcohol off, or you can just put them in a simple syrup. It's completely up to you. I'm going to probably candy them a bit because the flavor is going to be really nice after having gone through that whole process. Now, the next step, instead of having to do all the other stuff, is to just hook this baby up. Plug it in. And this has a place right here for a carbon filter. I've decided to filter it twice, so we're going to put that in, and then I'll run it through, oh, there, you see that? Then I'll run it through a carbon water cleaning system, like Brita. So in 2 hours, I should have, let's see if I can back this up a bit. I don't know. Back up, back up. I'm going to see if I can back it up. Hold on. At about 60, 120, 125 proof. 120, just over 120 proof. Just over 60. You see that? Can't really because the lighting is in the way. Let's turn it a bit. 100, the 2 hour mark, we got 110 proof, just under 110 proof, and 55% alcohol. See that? Okay. Just under 55%. So in the first 2 hours, we've got about a pint of 55% ethanol. Not quite high enough to make a hospital grade or a true perfumer's alcohol for the pocket packs, but for home use, not too shabby. I am gonna treat these with Bittrex to denature it so no one accidentally drinks it and goes blind. Alright. Bittrex is the world's most bitter solution. This is strictly for medicinal use, alright? So that's why we're going to be doing that. It's kind of cool.